Wait till you try this one, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovic. I'm going to share a recipe for the best broccoli salad you've ever had. Head up here to weekendatthecottage.com to check out the full story where I explain the different things we considered in making this beautiful salad. To begin, how about a creamy buttermilk dressing? Are you ready? It's really simple to prepare. To begin, I have a large measure into which I'm adding 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of honey, just a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a cup of buttermilk. Last ingredient, 2 cloves of garlic. I chop them up, they go into the bowl, immersion blender, and we're blending until this is smooth and creamy. You can transfer it into a really attractive salad dispenser like this. How perfect. Suggestion, double the recipe. This dressing is fantastic. Now for the salad itself, principal ingredient is broccoli. I have a huge head of broccoli. It's gonna be about 6 cups. I'm taking the broccoli and I'm roughly chopping it. Place it into a large bowl. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, washed them, and now I'm having them. They go in. I have 1 yellow bell pepper seeded. I'm cutting it into thin strips. Then I thought I'd get a little fancy with the cutting. I took out my mandolin. I'm taking half of a red onion, thinly shaved, and then I also have 2 carrots. And look what happens when you cut them, holding the carrot straight on a 90-degree angle. You're left with these beautiful little carrot coins. They look very attractive in this bowl. Last minute addition to the salad, I'm so thankful I had it on hand. 1 Honeycrisp apple, thinly sliced and then diced. We're adding that to this bowl. Give everything a toss, and as you can see, this is very colorful. I love the different shapes of the vegetables. One thing should be kind of coming to mind. This entire salad is raw, which we really love. It makes it very healthy. Now with that first toss, I'm gonna add a little bit of power to the salad. 1 cup of raw sunflower seeds, a cup of slivered almonds, a cup of Thompson raisins, and then I love having a bit of fresh herb, 3 tablespoons of chopped chives. They go on top, toss again, and now we're gonna add our dressing. I add about half the quantity of dressing, give it a toss. I want you to taste, how does it flavored? Add a little bit of salt or more dressing if you wish. After that, a final toss and you're ready to serve. I think you can enjoy this on its own for lunch or serve it with one of our suggested entrees. Click up here to head to Weekend at the Cottage to check out the full story. One thing I can tell you for sure, this truly is the best broccoli salad you've ever had. Why not head to Weekend at the Cottage to check out all of our recipes? When you're visiting, please subscribe to our website. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, and when you're visiting there, click for notifications, thumbs up if you like the video, drop us comments, and then finally, when you make the salad, share a picture of it using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on your favorite socials, like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Oh, all that's done, so now I can begin. I gotta tell you, this is one beautiful, crunchy, glorious salad. Enjoy. Beautiful.